I think. It will take an aircraft overnight by hand. They're using these brushes, mops, and pads in different sizes. And they dip these equipments to this detergent and wash the aircraft. Can you see the blue bird? This is Blue Jay, the nickname of this aircraft. Yes, thank you very much for joining from all over the world. We're all Nippon Airways ANA, the largest airline in Japan. Have you ever been on our flight before? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you're right. This is 777 freighter. Thank you very much. Airplane washing light. Thank you very much. I'm joining from Colombia. Wow, thank you very much. Oh, 福岡から乗ってきました。ありがとうございます。高所作業車に乗っています。Area work platform. I'm on the high lift. Area work platform. And I'm showing you how airplane is washed. They wash the top of the aircraft. And then we are going down. Can you see the bubbles on the ground? They use a detergent and they use these brushes to wash it. Airplane washing is done by hand. So 4.5 hours work today. Our 777 freighter is called the Blue Jay. Please remember this name, Blue Jay. This aircraft is going to fly to Los Angeles tomorrow afternoon. This afternoon. This 777 freighter is mainly fly to Chicago, Los Angeles, and Shanghai. And it can carry race horses or food, perishable foods such as fruits, vegetables, and meats, or large cargo that passengers airplane cannot carry. There are no windows on cargo aircraft. I think this is the only one window. He is washing the wings. They're washing the wings. The carefree scrubbing the wings. Can you see the dirt on the wings? There's still some dirt, but aircraft is getting shiny. They are washing 37 freighters tonight. The washing started about midnight, and 2 hours and a half have already passed. And they finished cleaning most parts of the aircraft with a great teamwork. I'm so impressed by their work, how they wash the airplane. They're very powerful and hardworking. This is our 777 freighter. Now I'm at Narita Airport, live streaming airplane washing. 777 Raiders at Narita Airport in Japan. We are on Nippon Airways ANA, the largest airline in Japan. This is our 777 freighter, Blue Jay. Airplane is washed by hand with this pad. They are using these tools according to the parts or stains of the aircraft. It's different ones in each parts. He is using a mop. He's using a pad and scrubbing the plane. These are the detergents. One is for oil stain and one is for the vinyl stain.この道具ってどうやって使い分けてるんですか？
大体フラットであまり置いてないとこっちはこのスポンジ状の。
はい、スポンジで。
はい。あとその最初デコボコっていうかね。
はい。
これだとやっぱ平らってちょっと硬いから隙間ができちゃうんですよ。そういうところは、
はい。
こういうところですね。
ブラシを使って。
でそういうとこはもういわゆるモップなんです。
モップ。
毛の繊維がその隙間に入り込むよね。
はい。
こうやってこの各地だと落ちないものは
はい。
ブラシでやる。
こういう3段階なんですね。ありがとうございます。So they use different tools and different parts, and flat surface they use this pad for the flat surface, and this part, like this part, they use mops. And heavy stains, they use the brushes. Interesting to watch the stains, how stains came off. 一気清掃するのにどれくらい時間がかかるんですかということですが、今日の機材、飛行機は4時間30分ほどかかる見込みです。This work will take 4.5 hours to finish. This lift goes up and down and wash the cars again and again to be clean. Thank you very much for joining from all over the world. Oh, we are turning around. Turning around. It's crashing water with a high pressure hose. There are still some stains on the wing. We have to clean it. This is our 777 freighter. Cargo-only aircraft. 12 people are washing this aircraft overnight. It's a great experience to watch this aircraft washing from this distance. We're at Narita Airport and live streaming.洗いがいがあります。すごい。This stain seems hard to get rid of. They dip brush into the detergent and then scrub the surface of the wing. The careful work. We are at the hangar and it's still hot and humid here, even at night. Thank you for joining our airplane washing live. How's it going? Thank you very much for joining from all over the world. Where are you guys watching from? Yes. Now it is 2:30 a.m. in Japan already. The alarm comes from the aerial work platform car for caution. I'm sorry for the alarm. The aircraft is usually washed once in 200 days. Yes. We're at Narita Airport in Japan. Airplane washing is important, of course, for the appearance, but also it can save the fuels, a lot of fuels. So we need to clean the aircraft from time to time. Now, thank you. This is our 777 freighter cargo only aircraft. And it owns 777 cargo and the 767 freighter as well. And 2 of them are 777s. We own 11 freighters in total, and 2 of them are 777 and 9 of them are 767. Well, thank you very much for joining. This aircraft, the 777 freighter, this plane is washed by hand. And the cargo hold is 3 meters high.もう1種類は通常の汚れにも対応する洗剤とのことです。このようにいろいろな道具を使ってshape of brush, this mop, normal mop, isn't it? Brush, mops, and pads. They use a different現れてる飛行機が可愛いということで、ありがとうございます。愛着が湧いてきますよね。Can you see the changes? Wow. All the stains came off. And it's very clean and shiny. Yeah. It's very refreshing to see this change. 綺麗になったら気持ちいいですよね。
ライブラシ1本ちょっと下から上げてくれる？
こんばんは。Good evening. Thank you very much. コメントありがとうございます。Thank you for your comments. So airplane washing is performed at night when the planes are not flying. They keep working for 4 hours to wash this airplane. I'm sorry for this alarm. They're in a good teamwork. They're washing the different parts over there. Can you see 2 of them? Now I'm at Narita Airport hangar, and there is a Boeing 787 aircraft over there, and we're washing a 777 freighter now. So good evening everyone. How's it going, guys? What are you doing now? People in Japan, what are you doing at night? And thank you very much for watching our TikTok live streaming. I'm now showing you how airplane is washed. Airplane is not washed every day. It is usually washed once in 200 days. And this freighter needs 12 people to be washed, and it will take 4.5 hours. I'm sorry for this alarm. I have to be very careful to walk under the wings because they're splashing water from the top. Oh, Hello everybody, Marilyn again. Most of the body has been cleaned up. We are very close to completion. Look at white and shiny body of the aircraft compared to the beginning. Yes, indeed, the body is very white and bright and shiny. Most of the part has been cleaned up. We are very close to completion.